everybody. Today I'll be sharing with you Fightback 3G. As you know, there's suction packs below the Fightback 3G, as you can see over here. And now I'll be showing you how these suction packs are effective. I'll put them down and I'll show you how it can be used without even water. Just need to press it down a bit. Let me suck on the floor. Then I'll put on this bag. The base was absolutely without water, nothing inside. Now I'll give it a go. You can see the base doesn't move at all. And this is absolutely without water inside. It's just on the suction pad. And now you can imagine what kind of effective stability you can get if you have water inside. Yes, and this is the effectiveness of our suction pad. That's all.